Hello, 8th graders. I have finished grading your practice with variables worksheet, and some of you did really well with this, so good job. I want to cover something that I see some of you doing that caused some of you to have some wrong here, and so the main thing that I saw, most of you did very well with the last column, 19 through 27. But on 10 through 18, let's just take a look at that again. Some of you, I think, are not quite understanding this yet, and so let me just do again. Let's do number 10. So number 10, 3axa minus 2ax plus 5ba plus 3xa squared plus 5 minus 2ab minus 3 minus 2xa. Okay, so when you go through these terms and you combine the terms within each term alphabetically, so this turns into 3a squared x minus 2ax plus 5ab plus 3a squared x plus 5 minus 2ab minus 3 minus 2ax. Hope you can see that. I know there's a glare here, and I'm not sure what to do about it. But anyways, so let's just go through and combine these terms. So you have a 3. Let's go to a squared x's here. So I have a 6a squared x, and then I have let's go with the a. So those are done, and then I have the ax's, and so that would be a negative 4ax. And the ABs would be these, so these are done here. And so I have a positive 3AB, and then I have a positive 2. And I thought I explained this on the video, but so what some of you are doing is you go, and your answer, you go back and you make it, your answer is AAX minus 4AX plus 3AB plus 2. You don't want to do that. You want to leave this just as I explained it in the first video. This is your answer here. You don't go back and make 2 A's out of that. So that's what I see a number of you doing. Instead of, for example, 3xyz squared, then you'll write it as 3xyzz. Now, you want to keep your exponents. You want to keep your letters together. You don't want to. That's actually making it more complicated. And so this would be your answer for number 10. Go back and review that lesson again. I will scan these practice with variables, and we'll email those out to you and correct those. If you have any questions, I'm always available, and so check that out, and hopefully it'll work out when you correct it. So that's all for the practice with variables.